Hey makers, I'm Brian McDonald, and this is Make It So 3D. Thanks, buddy. So, I've been going back and forth for probably about 3 weeks now, trying to figure out how to introduce myself to YouTube and the maker community. I wrote scripts. I rearranged my apartment space 6 or 7 times. I finally just decided to say hi in my real voice, no scripts, just off the cuff. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. The reason why I'm launching this channel, Make It So 3D, is because I like to make. I'm an industrial designer and engineer, and I've been making for as long as I can remember, but definitely professionally for 15 years. So I want to put this channel together to share what I've learned over the last 15 years of designing, and really the time I've spent making in general. I love to make things, and I know that there's many other people out there that like to do the same. I'm making this channel so that I can share what I know and maybe inspire somebody else to get started making. Take you along the journey to show you the successes and failures, take you into the world of how I solve problems, and share with you the fun toys that I create. If there's one thing you take away from this video, is that you get to start this journey with me. You get to see me build from the ground up. I definitely intend to make my model files available for download, and especially do giveaways of the models that I make on this channel. So if what I've said resonates with you, please subscribe so you can stay connected to weekly videos. So please stay tuned for a lot more content. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to learning a lot along the way, and as always, may your creativity lead you to great things. Till next time on Make It So 3D, thank you. Bye.